Welcome back, guys. So I hope you all are doing well. No camping video this weekend, but I do have a camping related video. I just wanted to have a look at this fire pit here from a company called Thermomate. They sent me this product to do a review on. So let's get this thing on the ground and see what it's about. Okay, so this comes with a cover on it, and it's a pretty nice cover just to keep everything clean best you can, and good for storing it away so you don't have to have it out all the time. It's nice and lightweight, so it's easy to move around. So let's go ahead and take this off and have a look at it. So this is a 17-inch fire pit, and it is made of 16-gauge stainless steel, so it's really durable. It should last a long time. This is a smokeless fire pit, and the way it works, I guess, is with these holes, the air travels through the bottom, up inside, and then if you look here, there are holes inside of this, and this is removable, fully removable. And if you look in the bottom here, you can see the holes to allow airflow through the bottom, as well as these here. And this sits on top of a platform down inside to allow the airflow to come up under and travel through the sides of this into these holes here. This just slides down in here just like this. So the way that this is built, it's supposed to keep the smoke from following you around the campfire, and we all know how that is. You're always constantly running from the smoke because the wind is changing directions, and so with these holes it's supposed to allow minimal smoke. And so let's go ahead and test this out. I've got some wood here, and let's go ahead and get a fire going in it and see how it does. Alright, so I've just got some twigs here. I'm just going to break these up and just lay some of them down in the bottom. Just so I've got a little bit of a platform. And I'm going to use my fire starters that I made and lay that right on top of these, and then build the fire on top of it. That should be good right there. Just going to add some twigs in. Now the wind's blowing, and I can tell there's some airflow coming in through the bottom, which is really nice. And as you can tell, that fire's taking off pretty quickly. This is really cool. So while this is going good with the twigs, I'm gonna throw a couple big pieces on there. Let me put this piece in there last. There we go. Alright guys, well, that's going to do it for this one. That's my review on this Thermomate 17-inch fire pit. Overall, I think it's a really good product. If y'all want to buy one, I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can get it. This is great if you find like a dispersed campsite or something when you're out camping and you need a fire pit. This would work great right here. I haven't had to move my chair from the smoke yet, so that's a big plus. And it's burning very efficiently, so if y'all enjoyed this, be sure to leave a like. I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.